Hi everyone. As we take this project forward, we need to create unique content for all pages of this website. So we thought of creating this video which will act as a ready reference for all you writers to create the content. In this video we're going to provide you with guidelines, with examples, some do's, don'ts, tips on how to write articles for this project. So to begin with, we are going to provide unique content page-wise based on make, model and make, model, year. We're going to have one make page, multiple make models and multiple make model year pages. If you saw in the previous video, we've shown how the navigation structure of the website is. So we have static pages for every make, model and year. To begin with the guidelines, the first and the foremost aspect that we need to understand and focus on is this is an engine's website. This website is not about brands. This website is not about Chevy. This website is not about BMW. This website is not about Acura. It's about Chevy engines. It's about BMW engines. It's about Acura engines. So whatever information we're going to write is going to be based on engines and not the brands. I understand we may get carried away and write about the brands, but this is not about the brands. Yeah, I want to emphasize this at least 10 times. As an example, we are showing you an article written for the Chevy brand. Take a look. We also send you the actual article on email so that you can refer to it. The second guideline that's most important would be the combination of creativity and keywords. We have to be creative, we have to make the articles interesting, yet have those keywords in place so that we address the user as well as the search engine. However, we should not be stuffing keywords into our sentences or paragraphs. This is very, very crucial because user experience is the critical aspect in internet search now. And therefore, if there's a trade-off between keywords and user experience, we must put the user experience first. So there may be cases while writing wherein a keyword may not fit into the scheme of things. So it's best you omit it. As far as possible, we need to be creative in a way wherein we are able to add keywords to our content, but in a very natural way, so that the article becomes reader friendly. Third, the article need not be very long. It can be between 150 to 300 words, provided it is unique, it is interesting, and it provides value information to the user. You could provide stats, you could provide information, you could provide some facts, some stories, probably, yes. Make it interesting, make it as interesting as possible. I will again emphasize, this is about engines. So all that we're going to write about is going to be about engines. Number 4. Now this is a don't. Avoid filler sentences. We should not be using filler sentences in our content. For example, Chevy is a great brand, or Chevy Camaro is the best sports car you'll ever find on earth. No, absolutely no. We do not want to use filler sentences at all. Please avoid. If you don't have content, you can get back to us. We can help you develop content for specific brands, makes and years. But please do not add filler content. It will kill the user experience. 5. The structure of the page, as you can see in the documentation, is as follows. You have a title, which is between 8 and 10 words. We need to add some keywords again, naturally. This is followed by the description, which is a couple of sentences, again naturally flowing, with a call to action. A call to action is something wherein you are telling your viewer to do something. Call now, click here, inquire. These are very important. I would like to tell you that the title and the description appear in Google searches. When a page gets indexed in Google, the title and descriptions generally get indexed in the search results. So when a viewer sees your page for the first time, he's seeing your title, he's seeing your description. So what is the best way for you to get him to click on your link and come to your page? It is going to be the title and description. So your title and description must convey to him what the page is about and entice him to click on the link and come to your page. This is why the call to action is very important. And your title and description should be written in that way. Next is the headline. Now this is the H1 tag of the page. This is similar to the title, but it can be more entertaining or interesting. It can be slightly elaborate as well. Make sure you have keywords in the heading as well. This is then followed by the article body. As discussed earlier, the article body needs to be unique, interesting, filled with facts, information, no stuffing of keywords, no filler stuff, and useful for the reader. Again, as shown in the article, there is a paragraph at the end when we are pushing it, when we are pushing the reader to take an action. So we want a small paragraph or a couple of lines at the end of the article body where we are pushing him to actually click or take action. Most importantly, if you have any query, any doubts, any questions regarding these guidelines, please feel free to call us anytime you wish. This is very important because success of this project is going to be based on how interesting and how unique we can get in making this website really content rich and user experience rich. We are also going to send out documentation and logs for this project. This will help us keep things together in a structured format so that the deliveries from all writers come in the same form, because we are going to use these templates into our programs to integrate with the website. Therefore, this is extremely crucial that the formats that we send to you are followed to avoid any rework or issues when integrating. We would also like to audit articles after, say, every 10 units. This will ensure that all those guidelines that we have set out are being followed, are being checked. If there are any inputs from our side, if there are inputs from your side, and keep improving our articles. So all the best, and I hope we create some awesome content for this project. Feel free to write to us on any of those email addresses given on your screen, and we'll be more than happy to connect with you and help you build really good content. I'm sure you will love working on this project as much as we are loving working on this already. And come, let's make this project a huge success. Thank you very much for your time, patiently listening, and I hope you would want to run this video time and again to ensure we are meeting the guidelines set for this project. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.